Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 9 active, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smart band from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the XIAOMI or Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. So let's tap on the icon to open the Mi Fitness application. And once the application opens, you should see the health page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. Oh, my bad, device icon. And here you should see the device page. On it you should see your XIAOMI Smart Band 9 active. Now scroll down, tap on more. And here you should see the Unpair button. Tap on it, tap on continue. The smart band should disappear from the device page. For some reason it's still here, but oh no, that's the different one. That's the 9 Pro. So I had the different one connected to my account. As you can see, it's here. I can also remove it. So if we remove it also, now the page should be empty. Yeah. So basically, usually if you have only one device connected to your app or to your account, you will see this page. Basically, it will be empty device page, which means the device was removed. And if you go to your smart band, you will see the list of languages, which also means that the smart band reset itself to the factory default settings, which it does after you unpair it from your phone. And that's how you unpair this smart band from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.